On our ingredients, we have some beef. It's sliced. This is like half a kg. We have our carrots. We have our red pepper, a yellow pepper, green pepper. We have 2 pieces of tomatoes. We have 1 piece of onion. We have our green bananas. We have freshly grated garlic. We have a slice of butter. We have our olive oil. We have our mixed seasoning, and we also have our salt. We shall be boiling our meat. I like it to do it traditionally, like first to boil our meat before adding our ingredients. So in my pot, I'll put in my butter. This to just make sure that we have a good taste on our beef stew. So I'll let my butter melt, then I'll add my meat and salt and my garlic. So you have added your meat and your garlic. You can add a tablespoon of salt. Then stir. Then we leave it for some few minutes, like 5 minutes, to ensure that it sautés before adding our water. use a blender to blend your tomatoes to get a very smooth consistency in terms of the tomato soup. I'll add in my carrot. Then for the pepper, we'll add them at the final stage because we don't want them to be cooked. So I like them crunchy, so these will come in our last part.
To be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way.